Hi everyone, it's Marisa with Bumblebee Apothecary. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to talk about a DIY skin cream that you can use for relieving eczema. So unfortunately, eczema is really common these days. A lot of people are looking for relief from it. It can be really itchy and uncomfortable and downright miserable. I did want to also mention in this video that eczema responds very well to diet, and people are usually able to very successfully clear up their eczema completely with a diet change, either something like the GAPS diet that focuses on healing the gut health, or something a little bit less restrictive and intense that just cuts out certain foods for a while and lets the gut heal, something like that. But it usually does respond very well to that, so I thought that was worth mentioning, and I'm going to link to the video where I talk about the GAPS diet a little bit in case you're interested in that route. But in the meantime, for relief of eczema, I have something here that really helps. Now, if you've been with my channel for any length of time, you'll probably know how much I love organic 100% grass-fed tallow balm, and it turns out that that is amazing for soothing eczema. Now, it actually is very helpful just on its own, but it can be made even better by mixing some certain essential oils in. So what I like to do if I have someone who needs eczema relief is to do the whipped tallow balm. So the solid version would work fine too, but whipped is really nice because it's easy to apply. It's like the consistency of whipped cream, and so it's nice to just scoop out a little bit out of the jar and it rubs into your skin really well. So I do like the whipped version for this. And then the essential oil blend that I like to use has a bunch of different really skin soothing essential oils that help really just calm inflamed skin and relieve itch and just really soothe and help heal skin also. I like a blend from Plant Therapy called Silky Soft, and it's kid safe also, which is great, and I'm going to link that in the description below. And as far as making the balm itself, I'm going to link the video where I show how to make tallow balm, and you just follow that same process, and when you're either pouring the solid balm into your jar or whipping the whipped version, you add the drops. For a 4-ounce jar, which is the size that is really common and handy, which is this jar, you want to get like a 1% dilution, and to get that you put 24 drops into a 4-ounce jar. And I find that that works really well. If you'd rather not make this yourself, I'm going to put a link below also to my shop where you can pick up a pre-made version of this exact same thing, either in solid or whipped form with the exact same Plant Therapy Silky Soft essential oils added. So that is my tip for today, an easy and very effective DIY eczema cream. I hope that you found it helpful. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps more people find it. And if you're new, please subscribe. I make new videos every week on how to make organic, handcrafted skincare and baby products, and I like to talk about healthy lifestyle tips. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.